So today we exporting some books written by a local author on leadership, discipline, your discretion, and daring to take chances. I haven't read it, so I can't speak to it. I am sure now that I'm going to read a copy of it now that I've seen it. I tend to know the author personally. Let me flip it over without trying to expose her picture. I'm covering her picture. Her picture is on the back. If it interests you, you can go out and buy it locally, but she printed her book through Amazon. This is a quarter of the order. Just a quarter of the order, and we have about 20 boxes. We have about another 60 to come. She have asked us to make sure that our book get to where it's going in one piece, and we're doing that. We're going through and separating up the book and making sure it's stuff. And you see a lot of these boxes are slightly crushed. We're going to condense it and make sure it's full with books and make sure it can't get crushed. We're going to stuff it with peanuts or blow-ups or whatever is required. We're going to get it to Jamaica. We're going to get it safe. We're going to clear customs. We're going to deliver it to the author, to the bookstore, wherever the author wants us to deliver it, because it's all about you. It's all about service. It's all about the way you want it. We're going to do it just the way you want it. So we're going through and condensing. This is a service that, because of the volume that she's doing, we're not even charging her for repackaging. She did a big combined shipping, and so we're combining them and condensing them. When it's done, she should have about 3/4 of a pallet. So if you're an aspiring author, you could do your thing on Amazon and we'll ship it for you. I want you to go out. I want you to buy. I want you to support the local market. If you're a reader, if you're not a reader, I want you to get the audio version. I don't know if you have an audiobook yet. I'm cushioning this little dip so everything is nice and tight. So I get to talking to my team just now, and we're going to be issuing a coupon. As you could see the code down here, we're going to be issuing a coupon that is good if you buy one of these books. The coupon is going to be good until the end of the year, the end of 2023. If you buy one of these books, you could use the coupon at checkout to remove the shipping charge. That's right, free shipping on any one of these books that you buy. Whether you want to stay in America, England, or Canada and buy it and ship it to a friend, family, or loved one, or if you're on the island and you want to buy one and have it shipped to yourself.